Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to equip multiple accessories on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to three manager app menu and just go to in a file editor. Now once you're here guys, you just need to go to accessories and page accessories, and here you can see that I have already selected multiple accessories at once. How can I select how did I do that basically? So if I am trying to unselect all of them and select again just trying to select all of them again, you can see that I can't do that. So how did I do earlier? So you can do it very easily. Just right click on the new accessories that you want to wear and just click on this copy link address. Now open a new tab and paste it over here and just copy the asset ID, and now go back to Roblox avatar page, and here you will see this advanced tab or advanced link. Click on it and paste your asset ID over here and just click on save and click on save to save your accessories. And you can see that we have 6 accessories, and you can see that we have successfully saved 2 accessories at once. Now, if you're trying to select one more, you have to select in a same manner, you have to select the third one as well. Just right click on it, copy the link address, open a new tab, paste the link over here, copy the link, asset ID, go back, go back to Roblox page, click on Avatars Advanced and paste it over here again. This and click on save and click on save again. And boom, we got this we have selected multiple accessories already. Fine, that's how you can do it guys, and that's how you can select multiple accessories at once on Roblox. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.